Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. We took the long way round and burned till the fun ran out. Now my bad
Does it
habits lead to late nights,
blow
sitting
out
alone,
when a mosquito bites you?
conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose.
Well,
or use
it's all
or do.
thanks to
My
this
bad
guy.
habits lead to white
His name's
eyes
Scritchy.
staring into space, and I know I lose
He's the one
control
responsible
of the
for
things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I
unforgivable
can't escape.
rashes
Nothing happens
and
after two.
mosquito
It's
bites.
true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you.
But it's all for the sake of reproduction. I even have his yokai medal.
My bad habits lead to you.
Come on, get back in the book.
My
Got
bad
it.
habits lead to you. Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know.
All right.
Swearing
Now
this will be
here's his
the
ghost
last,
tale.
but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose.
The way that the yokai met Scritchy, it was related to Terminator. Looks that way. I really don't know why it was like that. This yellow yokai reminds me of the monster that we created, that me and my buddy Ty made, like Sparrow. There we are. And, well, looks a little bit like her. There he is. Well, back during Scritchy's episode, This was the first time No Way was summoned.
Pure intention ends when the good times start.
Something with John Connor. And, well, that kind of stuff. And there he is. That's how you draw Scritchy. Alexa, what is a mosquito?
Mosquitoes are members of a group of almost 3,000. Mosquitoes are members of a group of almost 3,600 species of small flies within the family Culicidae. The word mosquito is Spanish and Portuguese for little fly. Mosquitoes have a slender segmented body, 1 pair of wings, 1 pair of halteres, 3 pairs of long hair-like legs, and elongated mouth parts. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages.
There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Scritchy.